I came back to Sudbury. I was about 28 or so.
So you start teaching out there?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. That's a big switch.
Yeah.
Toronto's crazy. I'd be scared to drive.
I love teaching in Sudbury. There's a lot of interesting corners, a lot of interesting intersections,
Yeah.
a lot of hills and curves, you know.
Yeah.
Toronto, everything is pretty much straight, lined up.
Potholes are pretty bad here now, eh?
Yes.
This time.
I got a flat tire this past Friday night.
From
With a student? Yeah.
Jesus. How was that?
Well, she hit the pothole, and it was a pretty large one with sharp edges, so that was it, yeah.
Off the tire?
We're going to make a left turn here at the lights.
Sure.
So there's your turning lane, you got it. And when you stop here, you just stop before the solid white line, making sure that you can still see one of the crosswalk lines, the one that's furthest out.
Right there?
Yeah, that way it's a little marker for you to help you prevent you from going too far past the stop line.
That's smart.
And that's all yours. Protected left turn. And just let that go between the tires. And you can bring your speed up to 50 here.
Well, one thing is my acceleration. I don't know. I think I kind of have a heavy foot. I'm not sure though.
You're doing fine so far. No problem. I don't have to take my crash helmet out there yet, so.
You have one?
I'm not hanging on to the holy shit bar or anything, so we're good, man.
My buddy had you. He said you were a really good driver instructor. Seth?
Seth. Yes, Seth.
Gardner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was
He lived
down
right
this way.
Elderwood.
Yeah. He's a good driver.
Yeah, he said he liked you a lot.
Right on. I think he's got his G2 now.
Oh yeah, he got it in November.
Awesome. Good.
Yeah, he's been flipping trucks.
Really?
Yeah, it's crazy. He made like $8,500 last week.
That's good for him, man.
Yeah,
It's a good idea if you can get into that kind of thing.
yeah, he's smart.
Yeah.
He's going to pick up. We're going to pick up a Beamer on Friday.
Nice.
Yeah.
The lane splits in two here. We're just going to stay close to the curb and go straight at the lights. No signal required.
Okay.
It's just two open lanes. You just move. You always stay to the right, basically, if there's two lanes.
Okay. If you were going left, would you still signal or no?
If you're going left, you would just continue.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're going to stay in the left lane.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Two open lanes. So I'm looking far ahead here. I see the cyclist. Is he on the road or is he on the sidewalk?
He's on the sidewalk.
Okay. Taking a mental note of that.